Today we're going to talk about my current favorite concealers. Let's just hop right into it. An oldie but goodie is the Revlon Colorstay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 concealer. The only thing that I don't like about it is the sponge tip applicator, but this has such a nice formula. It is so blendy, it is so undetectable on the skin, and of course, price is right. Next, we're going to talk about the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer. This one has like a little bit of a makeup-y smell to it, but it says it's matte. I wouldn't say it's like matte. It just definitely isn't like dewy, but really easy to blend, really easy to work with. I think it's $7. Really good one. Next up is the Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer. If you were looking for a lighter concealer, this is your jam. Like, it still has coverage, but it's very light. I love the texture of this. Under $5. We love that. Last one I just tried recently is the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. This concealer is radiant, but not too radiant. I definitely steer away from like radiant things, like radiant foundations, things like that, because I have pretty oily skin. So I'm not trying to like add dewiness to it. I'm still playing around with it, but it is really nice. It makes you look healthy and glowy, not like greasy and dewy. So, and it's a thin consistency. It's not thick and heavy. So really like this. And it says it has skincare ingredients. I don't know how much I believe that, but any help that we can get at this age, let's do it.